Hello, my dear brothers and sisters. I am Surajvan, your instructor. Today we'll discuss about how to install DNS on our Windows server using PowerShell. Here you can see this is my Windows Server 2019, the latest Windows server in the Windows Server family. So here I'll go ahead and install DNS on this Windows Server 2019. So first of all, I need to open my PowerShell. To open your PowerShell, press Windows and R button simultaneously to open your run command. So here in this run, you can type PowerShell and press enter. Once your PowerShell window is opened, make sure you have opened this PowerShell using administrative privilege. If you don't know how to open any application using administrative privilege, so follow here, click start, go to Windows PowerShell, right click here in on this Windows PowerShell and run as administrator, right? So click here in. So I'll close this one, previous one, I'll expand it. Okay, now what you need to do? So first of all, you need to know which features are already installed on this server. To get to know about all applications that is already been installed here, so type in here get Windows, and here the trick is that once you type get hyphen Windows, now you can press tab button to complete this command line utility, right? So here I need Windows feature, so I'll go ahead and pressing the tab button. So here I have finally reached here. Now press enter. Now you can see the list of Windows roles and features are showing here, right? So likewise Active Directory certificate services, it is available, but it is not installed, right? The installed application here it is file and storage services. The applications which are installed here in already on the server, you can find X mark before the roles and service features, right? So here storage services X, it's already been installed, right? So I'll go ahead and another I'll see. Um, Here you can see on the .NET Framework 4.7 feature, it is already installed here in this Windows Server 2019. Okay, now I'll clear the screen and now we'll go ahead and install our DNS server, right? So to do so, follow my lead herein, okay? And also, before you proceed, make sure you have put a static IP address onto your Ethernet adapter, right? So you can open these settings and onto this Ethernet, change adapter option, click on this one, click properties and click IP4 address and set the static IP address herein. Okay, to install a DNS server, static IP address is much more essential. Okay, so don't forget to install static IP address herein. Okay, so click OK. Okay, close this one, and close this one. Now I'll go ahead and install my DNS server herein. Type add Windows. Now I'll press my tab button. Windows feature name DNS hyphen include management tools. Okay, so now you can just press tab button. Okay, so here in this server I need all management tools for DNS server. That's why I have entered this include management tools command line utility area. Okay, now press enter. Now here you can see the DNS server started installation. So here you can see the output result. The success is true, restart needed no, exit code success, feature result, DNS server, remote server administration. Now if I'll put get Windows feature, now you can see, the DNS server is installed herein, right? Now close this one. If you want to restart your server, you can restart it. But generally there is no need of restart, but still you can make it. There is no harm in it. Okay. So herein I am done with installation of DNS server in Windows Server 2019 using PowerShell. In my next video, I'll show you how to install Active Directory domain services in your Windows Server 2019. Up to then, goodbye and thank you.